What's up guys, Track Palmer here. In this video, I will show how to replace your cabin air filter in most Toyota motor vehicles. This demonstration will be done on a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and the process will be similar for other Toyota models. This filter is sometimes overlooked by do-it-yourselfers. Professional mechanics tend to overcharge for this job. Therefore, knowing how to change this filter can save a few bucks. This filter is responsible for filtering particles in the air coming in the car through the climate control system or AC system. Therefore, if it's clogged, the air will not flow freely. This is the OEM filter I purchased from an authorized dealer, and I will put a link in the description below. In the package is just the filter protected by a plastic bag. This filter should be installed with this side facing outwards and this arrow pointing upwards. To get started, you will need to remove the glove compartment or glove box. Open the glove box and there will be two clips along with a small hydraulic holding the glove compartment in place. The clips are on the sides right here, and the small hydraulic is to the right here. Let's detach the hydraulic by releasing a clip which connects the hydraulic to the glove compartment. This can be done by hand, but if it doesn't work, a pliers can be used. I am using a pointy nose pliers to release the clip. Just gently squeeze and the clip should be released. Now let's move to the glove compartment. Squeeze the two sides here to release the two clips I mentioned earlier, and it will pop right out. Next, the filter cover will need to be removed, which is held in place by two clips. You should be able to use your hand to remove this. However, if you are having difficulty releasing these two clips, a flat screwdriver can make the removal process easier. Here I am using my hands to release the clip and it popped right out. Now, remove the filter and you can see it's very dirty. Your climate control system will breathe better when this is clean. Always compare new and old parts to ensure they match. Now insert the new filter with writing facing outwards and arrow facing upwards. Reinstall the filter cover, then the glove compartment. Ensure that you fit these properly in the grooves. You can see here that they are properly placed. Pop the glove compartment back in and remember the hydraulic at the side. Snap the hydraulic in place and the job will be done. This filter should be replaced every 15,000 miles or every year depending on your driving environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and remember to hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you on the next one, guys.